my lovely friends, it's Jordan and I am at the pool ready to go swimming and get a good workout in. And I figured it was time to do another swimming vlog because it's been a while and I've made a lot of progress since my last swim. I've been using an app called MySwimPro and doing the Couch to 1K program on there, and I've been doing really well with the program. The other day I was doing week 3, day 3, which is the 300 swim, and that's basically exactly what it sounds like. The main set is doing 300 meters without stopping, and I was highly doubtful that I would be able to do it that day. I just was thinking, oh my gosh, that's 300 meters is a long way. That would be the furthest that I have ever swam in my life, and I was a little bit apprehensive about it. And I was doubtful that I'd be able to do it, and I thought I'd have to take a break. But at the same time, I thought the same way about 100 meters, and I was eventually able to do that. So I just took it as it came and just waited till the main set and said I would deal with it when it came up, and I did it, and I was super proud of myself. It felt great and I was really excited about it. So yesterday I did not work out because I had another migraine. So today I am back at the pool, and instead of doing week 4, day 1, I am going on to day 2 because day 1 is just 200 yards, and I wanted to get a little bit more of a workout in, so I'm doing the aerobic challenge 2, and I've done the aerobic challenge 1 before. I know that I can complete this workout, so I'll just try to push myself and do it again and just get in the water and just work at it. So I'm excited to get in the water and get another good workout in and just get to it. So see you in the water. First, getting into the pool always feels so great. I usually will wet my hair and put my swim cap on, then my earplugs and my goggles, and then get right into the warm-up. The warm-up started with 2 sets of 100 meters at a moderate pace. I don't really pay attention to my timing very much right now since I'm focusing more on endurance than speed at the moment, but the workout was written as 2 sets of 100 meters at 2 minutes since I haven't programmed my dynamic intervals into the app yet. I'm unable to do this, so I just did these sets at an easy pace and rested for about 30 to 45 seconds in between. I realized during these warm-up sets that my arms were a little bit sore. After that, there were 2 drill sets. These were 2 sets of 50 meters of the Rotisserie kick drill. This drill starts in a streamline position and it involves kicking flutter kick while gradually rotating 360 degrees, just like a rotisserie. So this works on your balance, alignment, and rotation. I felt my legs and hips getting a good workout in during this drill, and my legs were definitely burning a little bit afterwards. Then I moved on to the main set. The main set started out with 2 sets of 50 meters at moderate pace. These 2 sets felt pretty good, and it felt really great to just feel the improvement in my endurance. I completed these 2 sets at 59 seconds and the second set at 1 minute and 2 seconds. After that, there were 3 sets of 100 meters at threshold pace. My threshold pace is pretty much the same as my moderate pace at the moment since I haven't really been focusing on my pacing too much. The first set felt fine and my cardio felt really great, and I completed the first set in 2 minutes and 13 seconds. During the second set, my goggles started to really bother me because they had been leaking in the right eye the whole day, which was really bothersome. I'm apprehensive about getting chlorine in my right eye since I had surgery on it earlier this year. So I had to adjust them after 50 meters and I tried tightening them more. Nevertheless, I will be in the market for new goggles. I completed the second set in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The third set started out feeling pretty good, and my cardio was still feeling pretty decent. Then, at 50 meters, something happened. Wait, hold up. Was that my first successful flip turn? I decided last minute on a whim to attempt a flip turn at the 50-meter mark, and I finally got the gist of this movement down. So I was super excited for the rest of the set because I've been practicing this movement forever and it's been really difficult. I finished the third set in 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Then to end the workout, there was a cool down of 2 sets of 50 meters at an easy pace. After I finished the workout, I decided to practice some more flip turns because I would really like to perfect this movement and be able to incorporate them into my swims. I feel like I still need to work on my body turn and my feet positioning and my push off the wall and my breathing, but I do feel a lot more confident in attempting these now, and I'm excited about using them in my future swims. Overall, today's workout felt pretty good, and it feels really great just to feel my endurance increasing after every workout. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like or a subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments or tips or tricks below, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!